Shut up, Joey. Hi. Hi, Joey. Hi. Chicken.
Let's talk about that.
Joey, you're excellent.
So we went to B-Dubs, or correction, I went to B-Dubs because I'm cooler than him. Yeah.
You deserve that.
And we decided to get some. You can't read it. Some Blazin. You might be able to read it. We got some Blazin.
Joey, you have to be quiet.
Oh yeah, my dad has a baby.
It's like 1 o'clock.
My dad's getting birth. We got some Blazin chicken, and it's like the hottest they get.
And I'm gonna eat it.
No. We're gonna eat it.
No, I'm gonna eat it. You're too much. You're too much for a woman to eat
It's a
it.
bad word.
What?
Woman's a bad word.
Okay.
Wait, so we doing it now?
I got my
Get it
milk
in your
here.
mouth first.
No. That's gonna make my milk taste gross. You're not supposed to drink it before you eat the chicken.
The milk's good. I think it's 2%. Not sure.
Joey, I really want to eat this fucking chicken.
So, why'd you get a big piece?
Because.
Get a small piece. It's
No.
healthier. It's healthier for your taste buds to survive.
On one?
It's for you. Wait, we're counting down?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, are we just taking a bite out, or are we just throwing the whole thing in our
We're
mouth?
taking a bite out of it. I'm not eating this whole thing unless it's yummy.
It won't be yummy.
I bet it
We're
will
gonna
be.
die.
Okay, remember?
Remember, no screaming.
Okay.
We can't scream.
Yeah, you guys can't scream either.
You scream, you're out of here. Idiots.
Joey, don't be mean.
It's going on my channel now.
Okay.
Wait, so are we counting down or not? Oh, I forgot to say, there's a warning sticker on here earlier. Shut up. There's a warning sticker on here earlier
We're gonna get
that said it might cause irritation to the eyes or skin and to wash off with extreme water, or large amounts of water. Extreme water, not regular water. Make sure it's extreme.
Joey, can we do this?
Got it.
My fingers are going numb holding this.
Yeah, my God, no, man, I dropped it.
Ew.
Is it food?
You failed. Is it food?
They don't know what we're talking about, though. They don't get to know either.
Inside joke. 3, 2.
How about, okay, let me count down. 5, 10.
Do you know how to count?
Oh, that was so funny. If you don't know what we're talking about, it's an earlier video of mine. When we did the ball buster balloon challenge.
Alright.
So I count down.
Me count down?
No, me. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39,
Can we hurry this up?
37, 36.
Do you know how to count? Jeez.
1 minute, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28. No, 27.
What
I'm
is
not dumb, I'm just stupid.
That.
28.
What is that?
29. 30. Wait. I'm on 27. 26. 25. I'm not dumb, I'm just nervous. 24. 23. 22.
Can we just keep counting?
21. 21. 28.
I'm gonna eat my chicken if you don't hurry up.
18. 17. 16. 15. Wait, is that right? 14.
Yes.
11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. Let's just do it. Oh my god.
That's a great chicken. It's really not bad.
It's hot.
If you keep eating it, it's not hot.
No, it's hot.
That's great chicken. I would rate this 5 dead chickens out of 10 dead chickens.
Oh my god, it's hot.
Now I'm starting to feel a little bit. I got the hiccups now.
My arm came off. It's hot. That's really hot. We'll be right back.
A little hot. He's dying. I'm practically fine. I woke up and I know who got it.
What's wrong? You have to wear.
Oh god. Oh god. That hurt. We're gonna drink a freaking gallon of milk.
Oh my god, we just opened it.
I have to channel it. I think we're good.
No.
Yeah, 5 dead chickens. Actually, 6 dead chickens out of 10 dead chickens because he overreacted.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Overreacted when you're almost dead.
He's a mess. I'm fine. Except for that. That's kind of gross.
I might be a mess on the outside, but I want a mess on the inside.
Okay, that's freaking hot. On my tongue. That just burns my tongue.
I could tell.
Got it? Got channel it. Oh, that's overall good chicken.
Get up on the shirt, get up on the toe. You go for the toe, so I grab the shirt. Don't worry, I'm not weird, it's clean.
That just hurts my tongue.
It doesn't hurt it, it burns it, you idiot.
I think I just gotta let it sit.
Getting slobber all over this shirt. It's a cool SpongeBob one, guys, it's fine. I eat Blazin chicken regularly for fun. Not for fun, just like to enjoy it. You're messed up.
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, stop.
I think I drank too much milk. I think that's a thing.
You ate too much chicken.
Joe, you had one piece.
It burned.
I had 2 big pieces.
Oh, yeah, bitch.
And all that hurts is my tongue.
Where's my tongue too? Oh, God.
Yeah, but you were like freaking out. There was like one point. There was like, I like never freaked out this whole entire time.
Mild hot sauce is hot for me.
Mild hot sauce is hot. Oh, got it. I think we're good. Now I'm getting sweats. Joe, you just gotta channel it. Channel it through your body. Channel the energy.
I thought milk was supposed to help.
Well, overall, I think this was great.
Yeah, put this milk back. You talk to him, so I'm not me.
I think I drank too much milk. I'm gonna make it 7 dead chickens out of 10 dead chickens. Because I got to see that. I didn't freak out the whole time. Wasn't hot at all.
Cookie dough to eat.
Yes.
So I feel better.
I kind of want more.
No, you're weird.
Can I take this home tomorrow?
No, you're weird.
Why not?
Feeding it to Cash.
Are you?
No, I'm eating it. Maybe.
Really?
Probably not. I'll tell my mom it's not spicy.
We should.
Mom, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Or...
You know what's sad? Okay, last time I went to B-Dubs, I got medium chicken.
Wait, you can see me?
I got medium chicken. I was sweating. This time, no sweat. I feel cold. I'm literally shivering.
I get mild, and it's not that hot, and I think it's super hot for me. This is get off. Oh, great. Get the foot off it.
Oh. What? Overall, I think that was great.
Okay. Let's digest this piece by piece. You don't touch my chicken right now. I am a scientist. So don't touch it.
Should I have more?
No.
Should I eat more?
You messed up.
Should I eat more?
They said yes. What the heck is wrong with you? Scientist J-Hock coming to town. So we're gonna digest this little piece. I probably show you guys. It's white meat, and look, no bones. Who would have thunk? I would have thunk. I like me flipping them off. I would have thunk. Me, right here.
Joey, look how not skinny I am compared to our old videos. Ooh, that hurts.
Let me 5-star you with these.
Wait.
Really? It's gonna be loud though.
You're right.
With your shirt down.
Yes! Dude, that last piece of chicken wasn't even hot.
Let's see if it left a mark. Surprisingly, no. Right? You kind of hurt. I think.
Yes, you did. Dude,
Your phone's still ringing.
Yeah, I know. Overall, I think it was a good day.
Overall, I think it was.
Even though it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Subscribe. Okay.
Don't subscribe to him.
Okay, fine.
Subscribe to me, because I'm cool. But that was the spicy chicken stuff. It was terrible. No one loved it.
He's a woman. He's a woman. He's a woman.
We hated it.
I actually kind of liked it.
Shut up. I hated it. It was spicy. You. If you had
Come
it,
on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
if you had it, you might die, because it's hot and burns your tongue.
Guy.
These gloves are clean. I just had them by my TV because I stole them from a doctor's. I'm smart. No, I didn't steal from a doctor. I got it from a doctor's office. Well, thank you. That will be it. Please subscribe and bye bye.